Thursday. I don't know how much of this you'll be able to hear with the wind. Thursday, July, I don't know, 29th or something like that. We're in the Chesapeake, heading southeast. Yeah, southeast. We just did a tack, which is basically putting that front sail on that side. And we're cruising about 6 knots. And we're headed to a little harbor, Indian Creek Harbor, I believe. Let me show you what the boat looks like. This is the front, obviously. That's the back, way back there. I'm standing here. This is the mast, 65 foot tall. John has autopilot on. There's Dale back there and Kyle. Sailing right now. We're doing a squeeze or breach or something. I can't remember what this sail configuration is called, but it's cool. Probably making you guys seasick. I'm not. So I just stand out here and buck the waves for a while. We have a little bit of land. Other than that, there's not much. That's it.